Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics, and on today's video, we're gonna look at how to make new decks on Marvel Snap. So let's get started. Are you sick and bored of using the same deck again and again and again? If so, then this video is for you. I'm gonna show you how to create new decks on Marvel Snap. So once you're on the game, just tap on Collection. It's right left to the main tab. Now you can see a plus sign at the top left. Just tap on it to create new deck. Now in this screen, you will have a deck with no cards, and below it you will have all your cards. Now if you want to give your deck a special name, you can just tap on where it's written Deck 5 and you can just rename it. Just like that. Now to add cards to your deck, just tap on the card you want to add and tap on Add to Deck. Or you can just simply long press the card that you want to add and it will be added to your deck. Similarly, fill up the deck with the cards that you want to use. If you don't want to select all of the cards manually, you can just tap on the plus icon right here and you can tap on S to autofill your deck. Here the game is assembling me a deck with the cards that I had chose before. Now just tap on back and here you see the deck I just created. So that's it on how to create new deck on Marvel Snap. If you face any confusion, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more gaming tips as such. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.